Please pause this video and answer the question before continuing. Now in this question we have some parallel lines and we want to find the value of x. Now it should be mentioned here that the figures in geometry questions will be drawn to scale unless stated otherwise. So if there is no mention that the figure is not drawn to scale, you can try to estimate angles and lengths. Now in this case, the figure is not drawn to scale, so to find the value of x, we must apply geometric rules and properties in order to deduce the correct answer. Okay, to begin, we are told that line 1 and line 2 are parallel, so let's add some arrows to our diagram to remind us of this. Now we happen to know that when a transversal intersects parallel lines, several equal angles are created. However, at the moment, our diagram does not look the same as the diagram we saw when we first studied parallel lines. So it might not be obvious which angles here are equal. To make things easier, it's a good idea to extend some of our lines. So if we extend this parallel line and this transversal, it should be easier to spot which angles are equal. Now at this point, our goal is to find the relationship between the two given angles so we can find the value of x. Now there are several different ways to approach this. I'm going to begin by recognizing that these two angles must be equal. So since one angle is 3x minus 5 degrees, the other angle must also be 3x minus 5 degrees. From here we can see that we have two angles on a line, and two angles on a line must add to be 180 degrees. So we can conclude that x plus 15 plus 3x minus 5 must equal 180. At this point we have an equation that we can solve for x. So we will first simplify the left-hand side, then we will subtract 10 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 4 to get x equals 42.5. So our answer here is E.